Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand dishwasher and it's giving you an F01 error and you're wondering what's going on, what do you need to do to get rid of it, especially because if you're getting the F01, your dishwasher has probably stopped working. And the reason that has stopped working is that's because it had the anti-flood alarm has activated on your dishwasher. So what happens is down in the bottom you have water can collect. Most of the time, it could be via flooding water, but sometimes because of a leak. So the first thing that you need to do to get rid of this this error is to go to the water that goes into your dishwasher and turn it off. And then at that point, you know, depending on how comfortable you are working on things, you might just want to call a technician. But if you want to continue, the next thing you can do is open up down here this kick plate. You can open it up and get access to it. It should be wet under there. And you want to just get it all dried up. And if you get it all dried up, you should be able to get rid of this error and get your dishwasher working again. Now, if the leak or whatever is causing the water to collect there continues, this error will obviously come back. And then you'll need to get under there and try to figure out where is this water coming from. Is there a clog somewhere that's causing a leak or something like that? But at that point, you might be better off calling a technician because this is not necessarily localized in one spot. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.